ಅವನೇನು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಅವನಿಗಿನ್ನು ಡೆಂಗು ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ,
ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದು.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು?
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು.
ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಿರಂಜನ್? ಹೌ ಟು ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ? We also people is vada pav or something, right?
ವಡಾ ಪಾವ್ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಇದೇನು ವಡಾ ಪಾವ? ಇವರು ಬರೀ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ತಿನ್ನೋದಂತ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದರೆ. ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೀಮ್ ಇವಾಗಲೇ 5-6 ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಂದು ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ, ಶೀಶ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆದಿತ್ಯ, ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ವಿನ್ನಾಗೋಣ. ದರ್ಶನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ನೀನು ಯಾವ ಟೀಮು? ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಅವರು ಇವರೇ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಶರಣ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. Repeat it.
Bagamasa.
Disqualifications as well. Vignesh, 1 by 1. All the way to all the team. Thank you.
Do they know the team members?
They know the team.
So hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the Treasure Hunt event. Thank you. We are going to start it soon. There are few rules which I am going to share with you. So one, please be little slower on the stairs and in the premises. Don't make so much noise. And the scope of the treasure hunt is this building alone. You don't have to go anywhere outside. Yeah, this full building.
Full building. Clues can be anywhere within this full building.
So you don't have to go anywhere out of this building, and all the clues are hidden in this building. Okay?
So for any help, we are volunteers. You can reach out to Jayashree, Prerna, Vignesh, Darshan, me, Alka and Charan.
Okay.
Yeah. So the clues are QR codes. There are QR codes hidden everywhere. You have to use your phone, like Google Pay app or scanner apps. You guys have any camera app to scan. There will be a text or riddle type of thing which will point out you to the next clue. In middle we have some checkpoints where we will interrupt you and then give you tasks. So if you complete the task only, you will be able to progress to the next one. Okay?
Understood?
Yes.
So clues are hidden in the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, you will actually get the clue which you need to decode to move to the next clue. Next clue again will be a QR code, right? In between two clues, there could be some checkpoints. It will not be mandatorily for all the clues, but between some clues you will get checkpoints and you have to do some activity where you will get volunteers who will make note of that activity. Without that, you cannot move to the next clue.
And if you are stuck anywhere, please reach out to any of our volunteers. That you will get to know as you progress. Okay, so I think approximately five checkpoints.
5 levels we have. Do not discuss, know your members properly. Do not disclose outside your team, otherwise you will lose. And if we get to know, you get disqualified.
And some tasks might need all of your team members to be present. So please stay together as a team.
With all they can do.
You can.
Laptop will fall.
ಇವಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಗೋ. I think that is the current.
Pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked the peck of pickled peppers.
Perfect.
ಕತ್ಲೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ವ. ಏನಂತೂ ಆಗೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಟ್ರೆಜರ್ ಹಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವೇ ವಿನ್ನರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ವಾನ ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೊಂಥರ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್, ಬಿಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಥರ. ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು 4 to 5 ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರು. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಡಾಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾನ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇ ವಿನ್ನರ್. ಕಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಿಜಾ, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇಷ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, I didn't record that. Don't worry. I will show the camera. Now I started that. Now ಇವಾಗ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್? ಚಪ್ಪಂಡಿ, you will get the award. It's not war, award. Pandu.
Yeah, Pandu KMC.
Hard working guy.
Yes.
What?
He's number one bullshit guy.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದರು. ಏನು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಟ್ರೆಜರ್ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ Vignesh.
Sorry, I want to ask you a question. How was the experience?
It was good. I think I felt like the last step is the real competition. Everyone is here, right? So that is the actually real competition.
How did you like the flight?
Yeah, I think our team only did that, right? I don't know that whether anyone did that. Right. We have like 3-4 rank. And what about the game of the last one?
That is called Morse code.
Okay, Morse.
So Morse code, it's game of dots and dashes.
Correct. We decoded.
But how did you win? You
Fiza did that. I captured
don't
the photo.
even know what
I captured the photo.
I doesn't even know what that is he won.
No. I captured the photo. Show it to her. She did that. She decoded it. She got it from the net, right? Internet. And my contribution also is there. Capturing photos.
He's a milk boy.
He's the organizer.
See who is milk.
No, I'm not. Tired man, going up and down.
I came double than you. You went 2 times, I went 4 times.
No man, I walked too fast.
How was the first clue? Tell every clue how it
Okay,
was.
first clue
Where you
about
feel
first,
the
first clue
engines.
about what? Okay, engines. Okay, engine exactly where you from?
Slay coffee.
Yeah, but
He did not play.
No. Wait. I went there, but they told that only one we are having. That already they took. Oh, then what to do?
That
Then
is
you guys
Sandesh team. They should just scan and go. They took the QR and went.
They should disqualify because here also they stole the pen drive. Actually, first clue was that one. So then you gave the clue to us, everyone, right? Then after that, what was the clue? I
The
forgot
clue was
everything.
under the short sibling.
That is here, right? But here we just need to do the task.
No, you see, under the short sibling is there are 4 chairs under the tank. So in that 3 chairs are tall, 1 chair is short.
Okay.
So that is the short sibling.
I don't know that our teammate played that. We played that bottle flip. The
That's
scanner.
your
I didn't know.
teammate found the scanner. You went and played. You came out.
I
Nothing's
don't,
working.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
He
We
was just
scanned
running
that.
with the team. That's all.
Everywhere the captain is doing that only. The final contribution we need it.
Yes.
Final match
Final
performance.
6 you hit.
Final match performance. At least I captured the photo and I showed to her. Everyone is just confused here. We capture the photo and we decode it. Thanks for arranging the game. So let's see, you will get the award or not. You will get, come down here. Let's go. ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೇ ಇದೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Xiaomi. I can ask you this in the I don't have to. Bottle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Let's unbox this. ಓಹೋ ಅಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೇನು ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ್ದಿದು? ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ಒಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದಿದ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಹಳೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತನ್ನಿ. HR ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಆ ಎಂಪಸಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಇದು ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
Old stock that's expired in.
ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ HR ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಂ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಐ ಮಿಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್.
Good.
ನನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ
ಐತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಂದು?
ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನನ್ನ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಆವಾಗಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್. ಓಹೋ,
Color नहीं मिला है क्या?
स्वरूप शेट्टी द व्हील ऑफ
Mic check. You want to check? Okay. Mic check 1 2 3.
And Manish Mohan, practice at Oregon app and craft.
Takes good care of you because I think now the trend is speaking up and more. It's more, I wouldn't say a trend, but because of the awareness and the need for mental health, it's becoming a policy now that all organizations should have sessions like this at a regular basis. But thanks to your organization that they started this exactly a year back, right? It wasn't. But the 10% will still be on the personal front. You can't cut off. You cannot. So now research calls this as work-life integration, right? Now, when we speak about, we come to a common point wherein the attitude that we carry, is extremely crucial, which is our topic of discussion today, positive attitude.
slope came a great American gentleman. This sage of sage, this American hope, crossed the claws and checked.